that's about all that's left of the spawn. It's just a few beds here and there. So the bite ought to be pretty good today. Here in the last couple times we've been out, the bite's been hit and miss because I could still see some fish working the beds. Now the beds that I'm seeing today, no fish in, no fish around them. So I think that the spawn's completely over, so it's looking good for today. So let's see what happens. There's a fish. What we got? We got ourselves a, open up, a rock bass. All right, back he goes. Fish on. Man, we are fighting like crazy. What we got? We got ourselves a little sunfish. All right, back he goes. Fish. Got a fish. What we got? What we got? We got ourselves a nice little rock bass. That's a pretty good fish. Open up there. There he is. Not a bad one. All right, back he goes. Fish on. What do we got? We got ourselves another one of them nice rock bass. There he is. Boy, look at his little belly. He's been eating good. There he is. Nice little fish. Back he goes. Fish. Oh, he got me tangled up in the treetop. There, we're out. All right, what do we got? We got ourselves another rock bass. Boy, these are quality rock bass today. There. That's a beautiful little fish. All right, back he goes. Fish. Pretty good one, y'all. It's a good fish. Oh, yes. Oh, my Lord, guys. Look at the size of that rock bass. Oh, my gosh. We're going to put him on the board. That's one of the biggest rock bass I've ever caught. Let me dig my board out here. Hey guys, that rock bass is over 9 inches long. That is a nice fish. Yes. All right, let's get him back in the water. We had him out long enough. That was a monster rock bass, y'all. I think I've only ever caught one more bigger than that, and it was 10.5 inches, and this one was just shy of 9.5. So, hey, those are both good fish. I'm thankful for them. The underwater release looked a little funny. He swam right back at the camera, but hopefully it turns out we got a good underwater release, and just a really, really cool fish all around. Fish on. What we got? Got ourselves another sunfish. Whew, he's really hooked. There we go. There he is. Oh, he's got, oh, hey, back he goes. Fish. What we got? Got ourselves a rock bass. Not a bad one. There he is. Back he goes. Fish on. What do we got? Got ourselves a little tiny rock bass. There he is. Back he goes. Fish. Pretty good one, y'all. Nice fish. Yes, it is. Another big old rock bass. Man, he is severely hooked up too. Get a little line here. Oh, there he is. That is another beautiful rock bass. Just a beauty. All right, back he goes. Fish. Got a fish on. See what we got. We have a little tiny rock bass. There he is. Back he goes. Fish. Got a fish on. What we got? Got ourselves a nicer rock bass. And he's in the boat. Well, there he is. He flopped clear up underneath of my kayak seat. I had to fold it up and get him out of there, but there he is. And back he goes. Yeah, he's okay. Fish. Got fish. What we got? Another one of them record size rock bass. Open your mouth. There he is. Back he goes. Fish. Got fish on. I think, but you all let me know what you think. But I think this fish right here is following us down the river, and we've caught him like 27 times today. Oh, well, we're having fun. Fish. Got a fish on. What we got? We got ourselves a nice sunfish. Yeah, boy. There he is. Nice sunfish. Hey, oh. There he is. Back he goes. Fish. Fish on. Got fish. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one, y'all. A nice fish. Oh, yeah. Well, there he is, guys. That's a nice fish. Not bad at all. Pretty good one. I hope you all can hear me over the interstate behind me. I am literally not 30 yards past the underpass when this fish hit. All right, let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Guys, that's all the time we have for today. But before we wrap things up, I just want to send a shout out and a very special thank you out to Trevor Lloyd. Trevor, I appreciate what you've done to help me with this channel. I appreciate you spreading the word about West Virginia creeks and critters, and I just want you to know that your efforts have not gone unnoticed. I see them, I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Well, guys, if you like what you've seen today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys next time.